Get paid to deliver prescriptions with flexible hours. That's the pitch behind Medzoomer Driver jobs. But is it actually a legit side hustle or not worth your time? Medzoomer is a medical delivery platform where drivers pick up prescriptions from pharmacies and deliver them to customers. It works similar to food delivery apps, but for medications instead of meals. The good news: it is a real company, not a fake job listing. Scam checks give a medium risk but legit score, 67 out of 100. Some drivers say it's a flexible, low-stress side gig. Reported earnings can range around $17 to $28 per hour before expenses. So yes, you can actually get paid. The downsides. But here's where things get tricky. Pay is inconsistent and depends on deliveries available. After gas and car wear, earnings can drop very low. Some drivers report payment disputes and poor communication. From Reddit, one user said, "Pay differences not worth it in the end." Another example, $65 for 95 miles for hours. So real or fake side hustle. Real job, not a scam, but not reliable income and often low pay after costs. Bottom line, Medzoomer is a legit side hustle, but it's best treated as occasional extra cash, not a stable or high-paying gig.